What's up, guys? So today we're about to talk about the title of the video, which is basically on my speakers. Sorry for the delay on some of my content. It's been a while since my last content I posted because right now Malaysia is having, and most probably like a lot of parts in the world is having the MCO, and it's difficult for the new parts to like come in for me to make a new content. But anyways, today's content, this is most probably one of the least exciting things for me to do to my car, but still something. So basically, I recently bought myself a set of like Carrozzeria speakers, and yeah, comes with this 6.5-inch speakers and a tweeter, and they call this like what, the crossover. Yeah, crossover. To most probably my old friends, they most probably know that before I was into like performance, when I used to own like a K car back then, when which was basically a long time ago, I was very into sound system. I like listening to music until today. It feels weird to actually drive without the music on. I mean, I've been wanting to buy a proper sound system for the car, proper speakers for the car for like quite some time, but I've not been able to do it because I focus too much on fixing my car. My car right now, it's like super empty. Don't even know what it is. But yeah, I don't have my back seats because I took out everything, and because I did a cleanup, I vacuumed my car ceiling as well. Before this, it was very dusty and you can't even touch this. Like the dust will just fall off. I took out everything. I took out my seats and everything. I don't have my carpet. You can see that there's like metal here. My carpet on. So yeah, I've not put my carpet back because the plan was, after I took out my carpet, before I actually put that in, I was planning to weld the huge hole there and there. I have this massive huge hole in my car. There you go, that's a hole. That's my gearbox right there, and you can actually literally see the road and my exhaust pipe. If I don't have this like rubber carpet on it, if I'm driving in the rain, the water is just gonna like come in. If I drive on dry, the heat from the engine, it's going to enter through this hole, and it's filthy hot. Literally, you can't even touch your gear knob, and you can't even put your hand here because it's super hot. It's like putting your hand in front of the oven. That's how it feels like. Fire. So yeah, I can't put my carpet. But anyways, back to the topic. So what I'm gonna do today. So my car actually has like a pair of front speakers, and this is like, I have no idea what this brand is. It's like a brand, my mom bought it. My mom is kind of into sound system, so she likes to change the car system in the car, but the thing is, she would not spend too much on the car system. I mean, car audio sound system. This is most probably a China brand, Oxygen. And the other side is actually my previous car speaker. This is a good brand. It's upside down. Okay. It's Audio Quart. Audio Quart is actually a good brand. So this new audio system, sound system speakers is Carrozzeria's, which I know the brand is from Japan usually, but it's like made in China, where everything is made from. You can see there, made in China. But I'm guessing these speakers, because if you install two of the same speakers on both sides, it's most probably gonna make a better sound. And I know the very famous thing on Carrozzerias are this part of the speaker, it's Kevlar. Usually on the normal ones it's like yellow color, and this one is like black. Yeah, but yeah, let's get to it. Sound comparison number 1.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alive. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Damn, so different. Okay, so my speakers are in, and what I have to do now is basically this is the new crossover and the tweeter. I have to, it's kind of dark so you can't really see, but yeah, I have to like wire up this tweeter into this. Yep, yes, like that. So we have wired up the, what do you call this thing, crossover, and now it's left for the speakers. Yeah, the speakers. Everything works. Just one side of speaker now to just make it tidy. Okay, I'm just gonna make it tidy. And yeah, and then I'm gonna start the other side. So I have finished installing the 2 speakers. I didn't show in full detail about the wiring information for those of you who are interested, who doesn't know much about wiring, and you're willing to like wire up your own sound system or something. You can just YouTube, not like there's a lot of other videos in YouTube like teaching you how to like wire up this component set. So yeah, thank God all these old screws fit in pretty well. So what do I do with the old speakers? My interior is so empty. So I have this thing on top. So what I plan on the older speaker, basically I have this thing on top. It's like some sort of like it's not plastic. I don't even know what's this material, but it's like pretty soft. This is my original Jeep like mount for the speakers. As you can see, it's old and it's broken here and there pieces. So what I'm thinking is to install these two speakers and that on this thing. But the thing is, the original speakers for the Jeep is like very light and these are like way heavier. I'm not sure whether this thing can like hold it properly, but that's the plan. So the next video I'll be talking about my future plans on the Jeep. So basically I ordered a few stuff and one of it arrived from KL. I've been wanting to buy it for quite some time. I'll talk about it in the next video. You can see there's like a huge box inside the house. So that is one of the stuff that I want to install for my Jeep, and a few more is on the way, not arrived yet. I reveal another family member to you guys and my future plans for it. And the family member that I'm talking about is none other than this A86. Oh yeah, if any of you guys are interested in this shirt, you guys can like DM or at Facebook page for Hayashi 86, the 86 boys. Not really sure if they still have stock for this, but yeah, they have a few types of shirt. You guys can see like the different shirts that they sell. So yeah, you guys can check those shirts out if you're interested, if you're an 86 fan or Initial D. Yeah, that's all about today's video. The next video will be pretty fast, so most probably I'll upload it by maybe next week, talking about the future plans and the TLC for these two cars. So see you guys in the next video.